Ndewo. Afọ m bụ Nwada Chinwe. Abụ m onye Anambra Steeti, birikwa na Anambra Steeti. I am a certified teacher, and this means I have BSc in education. In my spare time, I love to research a lot and edit educational videos. I'm a very passionate person and an empathetic person. And I also have a childlike attitude. And this also helps in my teaching because we know that sometimes learning can be frustrating, but not when it's fun. So I make my classroom a very fun environment where learning is fun, not frustrating, and mistakes feels very normal. So if you want to learn Igbo language in a fun classroom where you can have fun and also learn, why not come, let's learn Igbo language together. I can't wait to know your goals and focus on achieving your personal goals. So till then, que me siano. Bye.